WordPress powers a huge part of the internet. It also quietly creates a job nobody signed up for. Plugin updates, theme conflicts, security patches, a page that breaks the week before a campaign. And a developer you have to message every time you want to change a phone number on the contact page. So the question isn't, is WordPress bad? The question is, in 2026, what should a business use instead? There are 4 real options, and they are not equal. Before comparing tools, fix the comparison itself. Most people compare websites on price. That's the wrong first question. Judge every option on 4 things. 1. Who builds it? 2. Can you edit it yourself without help? 3. What it actually costs after month 1. 4. Who maintains it when something breaks? Price is the smallest of the 4. Maintenance is the biggest. Now the options. The first option is coding your website with AI. Claude Code is the cleanest example. You describe what you want and it writes the actual code. The output is genuinely good, fast, clean, fully custom, around $20 a month. But here's what that price hides. There is no visual editing. You cannot click on an image and swap it. You cannot drag a section higher. Every change, even changing a photo on the homepage, goes back through instructions and code. Then the site has to go live. That means hosting, domain configuration, deployment. A developer handles that. And when something breaks 6 months later, the same developer handles that too. So the tool is $20, the website is not. Verdict? Built for developers who want AI speed, not built for a business owner who wants to update their own pricing page. The second option solves the biggest complaint about the first one. Tools like Lovable and Replit also build your site with AI. You type what you want, it generates the site. But these give you visual editing. You can click, adjust, move things, see changes as they happen. Also around $20 a month, except that number moves. These tools run on tokens. Every edit, every regeneration, every actually change this pack consumes them. Build the site once and stop. $20 is fine. But websites don't get built once. They get changed constantly. Heavy editing months costs more than the plan. Hosting is still a developer's job. Maintenance is interesting here. You can use AI to fix things, but that's more tokens, more cost. And you still need to understand what the AI is telling you. Verdict: the strongest option if you have some development experience and you enjoy building things yourself. Genuinely powerful in the right hand. The third option is the one most people already know. Drag and drop. No code at all. Around $10 a month, the cheapest on this list. The catch isn't the price, it's the learning curve. Drag and drop sounds simple until the first real attempt. Spacing behaves strangely. Mobile view looks nothing like desktop. Sections don't align. Most people spend a full weekend on a homepage and still aren't happy with it. And the AI advantage largely isn't there. These platforms have added AI features, but they sit on top of a manual system. The building work is still yours. Hosting is handled. That's a real benefit. Verdict: cheap, self-serve, no developer needed. But the time cost replaces the money cost. Every hour on the website is an hour not spent on the business. The fourth option changes the model entirely. TableSprint uses AI to build the website for you. Done for you, not do it yourself. No code. No drag and drop weekend. No developer for hosting. Around $10. Maintenance free. Nothing to update, nothing to patch, no plugin conflicts. But the part that actually matters for a business is what's built. The website comes with a CRM inside it. Forms, inquiries, leads, all captured and stored in one place natively. Alongside automation, chatbot, and AI agents on the same platform. Think about what that removes. On every other option, a website is just a website. The lead form goes to email, email goes to a spreadsheet. The spreadsheet goes stale. Then a CRM gets bought and someone has to connect it. Then an automation tool gets bought and someone has to connect that. 3 tools, 2 integrations, and a system that breaks quietly. Here, the website is the front end of a system that already exists behind it. Verdict: built for business owners, not builders. Strip all of it down and there are only 2 honest answers. If you have development experience and you want to build it yourself, use Lovable or Replit. Real control, real speed, and the token cost is worth it when you know what you're doing. If you don't, and most business owners don't and shouldn't need to, use TableSprint. The website gets built, stays maintained, and the leads land somewhere useful instead of an inbox. Claude Code is excellent for developers. Wix and Framer are fine if a weekend is cheaper than the alternative, but choose based on maintenance, not price. Because the cheapest website in the world is expensive if the owner becomes its full-time support team. Subscribe for more breakdowns on the systems that actually run a business, websites, CRM, and automation from Abhijit and the ThinkSprints team.